Okay, good morning team. So today we're just going to run over the setting up of an account using iLose, and I've successfully downloaded it from store. Here's the icon here. You should be able to see that easy enough. And to launch it, I just touch it and I come up with this screen here. So there's some options here. The first is to, if I don't have an account, to sign up, which today I'm going to run you through that process. But if I do have an account, then I just put in my email and password here. And if I've forgotten my password, then I just touch the forgot password sign. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and sign up. And so to create a profile, all I need to do is put in some of my details, which is, now I'm just using a fictitious person for this in a fictitious email. But, you know, what we'd ask you to do is put in your proper details, and as much detail as possible, so that when you connect up with your coach, you'll be able to see exactly, they'll be able to see everything about you that they need to know. So where you see a red dot, those areas are mandatory that you have to enter. Where there is no red dot, it means that you don't have to put information in there. But we just suggest that you put as much information in, particularly with your contact number, so that your coach can get a hold of you. And we gather information too about your health conditions, and it's really important that you fill this area out properly. And it's pretty simple. Let's say I've got high blood pressure issue. I'd tick that for hypertension. Now if I have any other illness, I can go ahead and select that, and then I can put in there I get migraines. If I've got any allergies, I would tick that, and then I've got some free text space to be able to put in there. Maybe that I'm allergic to seafood. That would be something important for my coach to understand or know about me, and any medication that I might be on. So maybe I'm on some blood thinners, and I can't think of a pill that covers that, but that would be what I would put in there if I did have medication. So once I've done that, I just push continue, and then I get into a privacy waiver. And the privacy waiver is really important because you're sharing data between yourself and your coach, and we're also collecting data about you as you go in terms of your use of iLose the app. And so it's important that you do read through that, and then it's also important that you read through the health disclaimer. And the upshot of that is that you know, if you have any medical conditions, it's really important that you talk through with your coach before you start any weight loss program. And it's also important that you read some of the detail here before you agree to what that is. Now, pretty much that's done in terms of the fine print stuff. Now, all I want to do is just add a photo, and I'm going to go ahead and put one from the beach the other day, and I'll use that as my profile picture. I save that, and then I'm going to hit continue. And I'm in, and I'm ready to go. And so that's how you set up an account using iLose. Pretty simple. Go at it, team.